Yeah, hello friends. Welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, in this session, I'm just going to solve a query sent by a student. We have to solve this expression and one of the options from this is correct, right? Now, probably this is an expression from data interpretation problems. Now you can see the options are quite closer to each other, so there is left hardly any scope of approximation, right? So what most of the students are making mistake over here, that this is 4,34,000 and it is around 3,87,000. They make it like 4,50,000 and to it they are making 4 lakh, right? Now what happens in this case if you do it, right? So here you are giving an increase of 16,000, right? To make it a 4,50,000, you are giving an increase of 16,000, and here you are giving an increase of 13,000 only to make it 4 lakh, right? So percentage increase in the numerator and in the denominator, it's not same, right? So you may arrive at the wrong answer because the options are quite closer to each other. It is 1.03, 0.07, 1.12, 1.15 and 1.23, right? So if you get 4.4 by 4, right? So it will be like, what will be the answer that you will like? 4.5 by 4. So it's 9 by 8. Now what you will be doing out of it, because both the expressions are approximated to higher side. So you got this. Now what? Right? So you may arrive at the wrong answer. So do not approximate this sort of expression to that particular extent, right? Now just listen to me carefully how to solve this sort of problems. Now just make it 0. So what I'm doing over here to make this 4,34,000, I'm just converting it to around 43,000 and it is around 38,000, right? Okay, now it's easy to speak. 43,000 around 38,000. Now I just have to get the actual answer from these 5 options. Now you know the division, right? If 43,000 is divided by 38,000, definitely numerator is greater than the denominator, so your answer will be greater than 1, right? So if you divide this by this, so the first number of the quotient will be 1 only, because it is numerator is bigger than the denominator. So you got the first step as 1. So first number of the quotient as 1, or first digit of the quotient as 1, which we are having in all the options, right? So now first digit is clear to us. Now what? After that there is 3, 7, 12, 15 and 23. 3, 7, 12, 15 and 23. I'm sorry, these options are quite far from each other. 3, 7, 12, 15, 23, quite far from each other, right? Because we have already calculated 1. Now we have a scope of approximation. Now what I do? If you divide any number by other number, for the first time you divide, right? As we have divided. For the second time, what you do? You find the difference between these two, right? This is 43,000 and it's 38,000. Now what is the difference between these two? It's 5,000. Right, around 5,000. Now 5,000 has to be divided by 38732 to get the next digit. Now after decimal we have to get 2 digits, so I just put 2 zeros over here. Now this is 5 lakh and this is 38,372, 38732, right? No problem. Okay, now I have to see this 5 lakh is 3 times, 7 times, 12 times, 15 times and 23 times, right? Now it becomes very simple. Now 10 times of 3,87,000 will be what? I'm sorry, 10 times of 38,000 will be what? It's 3,87,000. So it's more than that. So these two options are eliminated. Now 20 times of this is what? It will be like first of all 76,000 will be double, so 20 times will be what, like 7,60,000, but our numerator is less than 7,60,000, so even this is eliminated because the answer cannot be more than 20, right? Now let's calculate 15 times of this. So 10 times of this is 3,80,000 around, and 5 times of this is around like to half of this to be added. So it's around, we will be adding 19,000 also. So half of 38,000 is 19,000. So 1.5 times will be 57,000. That is 38 plus 19. So 15 times will be 5,70,000, right? And we are having 5 lakh. So it's less than 5,70,000. So even this is not the correct choice, right? So we are left with 12 only. This is only the correct option because 10 times of this will be 3,80,000 and 2 times of this will be around like what? 76,000, right? So 12 times of this data will be approximately 4,50,000 to 4,80,000 in between, right? So this is the correct option because this is eliminated, right? So this way you can arrive at the correct answers. If you can observe that after decimal the datas are quite far from each other. So for the first step you just eliminate the first number that the way we eliminated, right? So I hope it's easy for you to understand. Friends, one more suggestion I would just like to make over here, that always try to calculate in your own mother tongue which you have been using so far, or in whatever the medium in which you have studied so far, right? So it becomes easier for you to calculate, right? Because nobody is going to see in which language you are calculating. That they're interested in only correct answers, right? So I hope this method is clear. If you have any other queries, do send me on the mail ID which I have given in the previous slide, right? So see you in the next session. Bye bye.